Hello everyone. Have you ever felt that you have nothing much to offer? Well, we have the greatest gift to share. The gift of life. Look around you. During this pandemic, millions of people are suffering. Many have lost their lives. But we are still fighting. We are in the fight to win back life. And you too can help by donating your blood. You can be a savior, a superhero. It's that simple. Society will benefit from your small deed. You would be content with the small contribution you have made to inspire and motivate you to donate blood in the coming years. We present to you ABCD. Anybody can donate. An exploration of the river of life.
So, are you willing to donate blood?
No, why should I?
Blood contains essential life-saving elements that aid the body in the fight against illness and injuries. It is also important to remember that any one of us will need blood at some point in our life, so it is an essential duty. It's also a healthy practice since it lowers the risk of cancer and lowers cholesterol levels of the donor. It also reduces the risk of heart attack.
I may go weak after donating blood.
Great, you are self-conscious. Yes, it is possible to experience some physical weakness like dizziness and nausea after donating your blood. It's better to avoid physically intensive works for a few hours and you'll be as fine as one.
Where can I donate blood?
The most ideal place to donate blood is the nearest blood bank. Alternatively, some hospitals also host the facilities. Keep in mind that you need to wait at least 56 days between donations. Needn't be too generous, you need to watch your health too.
I cannot donate blood because I take medications for diabetes.
No problemo. People with type 1 and type 2 diabetes are eligible to give blood donations. That doesn't mean you shouldn't keep your sugar levels in check. It's necessary to have a proper diet and exercise regularly.
I can donate because I have a tattoo.
It's a common myth that people with tattoos cannot donate blood. But it is in fact possible for people with tattoos to donate blood, but they would have a waiting period of 6 to 12 months if they got it recently. This is a precaution against cross-contamination and blood-borne diseases.
No, I'm scared. It hurts. And what if I get some disease or infected?
No pain, no gain. You would of course have to endure the pain of the needle. Being afraid of the needle shouldn't stop you from donating blood now, should it? Also, ice is an effective remedy in case of swelling of the brain.
Takes a long time. I'm too busy. I don't care.
Blood donation is a quick process. It barely takes 7 to 10 minutes. Just by spending a few minutes of your time, you are saving somebody's life that would have otherwise ended tragically. It might even inspire them to become a blood donor.
When it comes to blood, finding the right match matters. Keeping the notions of equality aside, not all blood groups are alike. Presence or absence of antigens makes a huge difference. If a person needs transfused blood, both blood typing and cross-matching is required. It is done to ensure that the patient's immune system does not attack the transfused blood.
A positive can donate to A positive and AB positive. A negative to A positive, AB positive, A negative and AB negative. B positive to B positive and AB positive. B negative can donate to B negative, B positive, AB positive and AB negative. AB positive can donate to AB positive. AB negative can donate to AB positive and AB negative. O positive can donate to B positive, AB positive, O positive and A positive. O negative can donate to every other blood groups. Hence, O negative is called the universal donor.
Blood transfusion is essential for surgeries, cancer treatment and for the treatment of chronic diseases like anemia, sickle cell disease and hemophilia. It is also required for trauma care and during risky pregnancies.
You were born with the ability to change someone's life.
Do we often forget about the importance of blood? No, we forget about its importance in others' life. Blood is a priceless liquid. It fuels the life force in one. There couldn't be a greater deed than sharing this with a fellow human in need. We cannot manufacture blood even with the latest technologies available. So, the only way to keep the world beating is by donating blood. A single donation of blood can save up to 3 lives. Isn't that just amazing? So remember that this act of kindness can save many lives and spread happiness.
World Blood Donor Day is held on June 14 each year. The campaign theme for this year's World Blood Donor Day is Save Blood, Save Life. With the slogan, Give Blood and Make the World a Healthier Place. We can save a life by donating our blood to a needy man. Only God can give life, but by donating blood and saving one's life, we are doing not a charity but a divine one. I congratulate 12B students for spearheading this campaign in our school. Thank you very much.
I'm Dr. Fasina, working as clinical embryologist at ARMC Group of Hospitals. I would like to congratulate the management of Sabodaya Central Vidyalaya, Trivandrum, for taking initiative in instilling the significance of blood donation in children at a very young age itself. As part of Blood Donation Day on June 14th, it's good that children are motivated to create awareness about donating blood, which is a good gesture as well as the need of the hour during this pandemic era of COVID-19. If your age, health and other criteria permits, please know that there are no disadvantages in donating blood. Please donate blood and motivate others. Thank you.
Dear friends, as we all know, June 14th is the World Blood Donation Day. You don't have to be a doctor to save lives. Just donate blood. It is safe, simple and saves lives. The importance of blood donation is that every 3 minutes someone needs a blood transfusion and there is no substitute for blood. For donating blood, a person has to be at least 17 years of age with a minimum of 50 kilograms of weight and has not donated blood for the past 56 days. About 350 to 450 ml of blood can be donated each time. And finally, please consider becoming a regular blood donor. And many thanks to all of you to give the gift of life by donating blood. You are the hero. Thank you.
You don't always have to be rich, powerful, intelligent, wear super cool suits to become heroes.
Having a big heart to share kindness.
Through a simple act like blood donation,
can save one's life or even several.
And you become a hero.
So, you ready to be one?
Give blood and keep the world beating.